Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually scan your Dstv Explora 3A. So in order for you to scan or proceed with the installation with it, you have to connect a stable signal from your satellite dish. Alright, that should be from a unique cable LMB. Alright, so this will be the first page if you have not done anything on your decoder. It's a new decoder. The first page, we have the language option, so you need to select your preferred language. We're gonna go in with English, so you press OK on English. You can select Portuguese if you want to. And here we have the satellite option. So with the satellite, if you are living in the listed countries on this IS20 page, you have to select the IS20. So we have Botswana, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, Swaziland, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. You have to select the satellite if your country name is being in this list. And you have to change it to the E36B if you can't find your country name over there. That's the rest of Africa. If you are living in Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, any other country aside IS20, you have to select the E36B. So on this page, come to the manual setup, you press OK on it, and we have the LMB type. With LMB type, since you need a unique cable LMB to install the Dstv Explora 3A, you have to select the unique cable TM/SAT-CR. So it have to be like this. Alright, and you come down and then check on the right side of the page. You have the signal status over there. You have to know that those blue tips have to actually appear, indicating that there is a signal from your satellite dish or from the satellite cable. So if there's nothing showing on the right side of the page, it actually indicates that there is no signal from the satellite dish or from the signal cable. So you have to check the signal cable and the satellite dish to get a stable signal. So reaching this level, you have to press OK on the scan to actually proceed. It happens to be that the blue tips are there, but after you press OK on the scan, it's unable to actually proceed. You have to know that the signal is not stable enough to actually run the scan to get you the channels. Alright, so you press OK on it to proceed to scan, and then you wait for it to complete, and then you get your channels on your decoder. But to get a decoder being activated, if it's a new one, you have to call the Dstv office and you provide them with a IUC number or the serial number or the smart card number of your Explora 3A decoder, and they're gonna do the necessary activation for you right there. Alright, so if you find this video helpful and you are new here, you got to subscribe and you hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.